Namaste everyone. Welcome to our transformative journey into the world of yoga. Today we are embarking on a path that's far more profound than mere stretching or postures. Yoga is an ancient practice that encompasses a holistic way of life, a journey of self-discovery and inner growth. Whether you are just starting out or have been practicing for years, yoga holds a unique place for each of us. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, which translates to unite or to join. But what does this union truly mean in the context of yoga? It's about creating a harmonious connection between our body, mind, and spirit. In today's fast-paced world, where we often feel disconnected and overwhelmed, yoga offers us the tool to restore this balance and achieve a sense of wholeness. Let's dive deeper into what yoga really involves. Yoga is not just about achieving impressive physical postures or bending into intricate shapes. At its core, yoga is about cultivating a heightened sense of awareness. This awareness includes how we move our bodies, how we breathe, and how we interact with the world around us. It's about understanding ourselves more fully and living with greater mindfulness. Through the practice of asanas, pranayama, and meditation, we start to create a space of calm and focus within ourselves. As we become more attuned to our breath and our body's movement, we begin to see shifts in our mental and emotional states. Yoga is not just a physical practice, it's a way of reshaping how we perceive and interact with our own lives and the world around us. Yoga is often depicted as a complex practice with challenging poses, but it is fundamentally inclusive. It meets you exactly where you are, regardless of your age, body type, or level of flexibility. The beauty of yoga lies in its adaptability and its ability to support your unique journey. Whether you are just beginning or are an experienced practitioner, yoga provides a space for growth and self-improvement. Think of yoga as a bridge that connects the physical to the spiritual. It helps us transition from a state of stress and anxiety to one of inner peace and tranquility. Yoga encourages us to embrace our authentic selves and find balance amidst the chaos of everyday life. The most wonderful part of this practice is that it is accessible to everyone and offer profound benefits regardless of where you start. In our upcoming videos, we will explore various aspects of yoga. We will start with foundational breathing techniques that you can easily practice at home. Move through postures that will invigorate your body. We will also explore the rich philosophy behind yoga and how these timeless teachings can be applied to enrich our modern lives. So if you are ready to begin this journey into yoga, you have come to the right place. This is not merely about improving physical flexibility. It's about creating meaningful changes in your life from within. Together, we will explore this powerful practice that has been cherished for thousands of years and learn how to integrate its wisdom into our daily lives. Remember, yoga is a continuous journey of growth and exploration. It is not a destination but an ongoing practice of self-discovery and improvement. Take your time, breathe deeply, and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. If you resonate with what you have seen, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming content. Thank you for joining me on this introduction to yoga. I look forward to exploring this transformative practice with you in our upcoming videos. Namaste.